All right, guys, thank you for tuning into my channel again. A lot of you guys have been asking me what fog lights these are, and also my sequential LED rear bumper reflectors. So this is a video especially for all of you who've been asking that and just been wanting to do this. So I'm gonna do this. Again, for those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and click on the bell icon for more informative content like this. All right, so let's start. So these are DeAuto LEDs. When you switch them on first time, they are bright white, as you can see. Really nice. Bright white LEDs, but they are 5-way switchback LEDs. So let's try the other mode. So again, it's the fog light switch. You switch it off and on and turns to yellow LEDs. And then once again, you do that same switch off and on, and it turns to halogen like they would come from factory. So they're yellow and white mixed, and they're halogen lights, okay, which is kind of boring. So let's try another mode. So again, switch on, switch off. They both the white LED and the yellow flash. And then once again, if you do that same switch, they go to strobing, so white and yellow strobes. So you see that in case of an emergency or if you're attending a show. Really cool stuff. Okay, let's switch it back to white LEDs. Let's go around the back. Again, this is my 2015 Toyota Sienna Limited all-wheel drive. I gotta change out one of my LEDs. It's going out. You can see that flashing. All right, so these are the sequential LED rear bumper reflectors. So let's try it on the indicators. So if we indicate left, you can see them. Right, and then we do the right side. Look at that. So really cool. And then if you have your hazard lights on, so that's how it is, man. For all you guys who've been asking, here it is. Some really nice, simple, cool mods to do. Again, this is my 2015 Sienna Limited all-wheel drive. Just power washed it today, foam washed it, did some paint correction, and also did ceramic coating on this today, so you can see how nicely it shines. Again, for those of you who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. Like the video, click on the bell icon for more informative content like this, and comment below of what you liked, what else you would like to see. And as time permits, I would be happy to make those videos for you, answer those questions for you.